I'm so tired. Need to hide from the cold. Oh, is that a house? Wow, another one. But it's got a price tag. And this? No way. That's a whole mansion. I could never buy that. Guess I'll just stay here. Hey! Guess who's ready to buy a house? Ew, gross. Let's see. Huh? Hi, welcome. Yeah, whatever. Oh, this house is mine. Cool. Oh, what's happening? Step aside. High class has arrived. So cool. Stop staring. Step away from the property. Hey, careful! Whoa! Cute little house. I'm buying it. Sold. And I'll just stay. I've got a ton of cardboard rolls. How can I use them? Oh, I know! First, fold them like this. Press the creases real good. Nice! Now let's start drawing. Gotta keep the lines sharp. There, done! Now cut it out. Time to paint. Paint the edges well. Make a few more and paint them too. Bright colors are perfect. Now bend them round again. Flowers done. Love relaxing outside. Beautiful. Just need a fence. Nice. I've got an idea. Hey, can you make feather-like flowers? I think I can come up with something. First, put a skewer on plastic. Draw patterns with hot glue. Keep them close together. Now grab silver dye, paint it, and peel off the extra plastic. Nice. Gimme! Let's see. How cute! Huh? This is unacceptable! Servant! Look at their flowers. I want some too. Got it. These plastic plates should work. Stick them together and paint. Like that. Looks good. Ooh, ma'am, it's ready. Wow, love how the gold goes with pink. Nice. Windows ready. Ooh, how dare she! Servant! Anyone need a repair pro? I need a window cooler than hers. Money's no problem. Ooh, I get it. First, check the size. Then smash out the holes. Done! Now for the mosaic. Add glue. Lots of it. Like that. Wait for it to set. Add the frame. Make sure there's no gaps. Perfect. Now install it. There. Done! Wow, so chic! I like it! Ow! Who threw that at me? Wasn't me! Take my money! Please don't hurt me! I'm watching you! No! Oh! I got the house dirty! Oh, now what? Wait! I can paint the whole house red! I'm so smart! Oh, this'll take forever! Need this lipstick bigger? Come on, grow! It worked! Nice! There! Much better! Like this! Perfect! How to match the house to the dress? Ta-da! Plus, now I can kiss it all I want! Let's see… I think I know what to do with this cardboard. First, draw a circle in the center. And shapes like flames. Looks like a sun. Nice! Time to cut. Now give it some color. This yellow is perfect. Add more paint. There! Now paint the rays. They gotta be as bright as the sun. Done! Looks awesome! Best house decor ever! Let's see how the sun shines when I make it rain! Allow me to cover you. Relax, this button makes golden rain. Ma'am, your house is gold now. Ooh, love this color. Look at that beauty. Wow. Show off. How else can I decorate? Oh, I know. Let's start by drawing patterns like this. Careful, no rushing. Now over to this side. Patterns from roof to floor. Ta-da! Wood effect! Hey, look at that! Wow, that's epic! Really? Thanks! My roof's too plain. Got it! Hello, I need balloons. Whoa, fast delivery! Come here. Let's tie you to the roof. Perfect! Oops, maybe I used too much force. Servant, I have an idea. I want a soft roof. Understood. First, add a pillow. Then a blanket. Should work. Done! Wow, I could sleep here forever. Let's toss some seeds on the roof. Grow that greenery. Nature at its best. Is that a rooftop garden? Looks pretty good. Whatever. Ow! Ah, stop! What the heck? Actually, these cups could be useful. Hiya! Nice! Now lay the bottoms like this. And we've got a path. Cool! Ta-da! I'll show them a real path. Just melt some gold. Done! Oh yeah, nothing beats gold. Watch and learn. And here too. What? Ugh! I can make a fancy path too. There, try to top that. Selfie time! Girls, I think we're finally done! Yay! Nice! I love it! Neighbor hugs!